Hello guys, good morning! June 17, Monday 2024. Ayan, welcome na naman sa ating Hamster Combat. Ngayong araw na to guys, magfo-focus tayo sa pinaka-daily combo natin para makareceive tayo guys ng additional 5 million na points. Okay, so umpisa na natin guys. For our daily combo guys, punta lang tayo dito sa mine. Ayan. Tapos, actually, kagabi, yung isang daily combo na card natin is na-upgrade ko na or na-level up ko na. So, yung License Japan. Okay, so yung guys, yung pangalawa na card natin or yung dapat natin na i-level, ipa-upgrade or i-level up is, ayan, by the way, no, unahin muna natin guys yung una, no. Etong License Japan guys, makikita nyo to dito sa legal, tapos mapapansin nyo, di ba, ayan, License UAE, License Europe, License Asia, License South Africa, License Australia, License North America, License Nigeria, and sa pinakababa guys, makikita nyo yung License Japan. Okay, so kagabi, again, na level up ko na to, na upgrade ko na to, kaya mapapansin nyo, nandyan na siya. So, the card has been found. Well done. Okay, so yan yung pinakaunang card. Again, License Japan, punta kayo sa legal, tapos pinakababa, ito, makikita nyo, naka-level 8 na tayo. Ayan. Tapos, yung pinaka-next natin, guys, na card, is yung derivatives. Yung derivatives guys is makikita nyo guys. Actually hindi ko lang na level up or na upgrade yung pinaka card kagabi kasi medyo mataas yung points na kailangan. So punta tayo dito sa markets. Ayan, so para sa pangalawang card. And then sa bandang baba, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, ito na yung derivatives. Profit per hour is 12.44k. Naka level 50 na tayo. Yun nga, hindi ko na level up kagabi kasi 1.81 million yung kailangan. So ngayon, meron na tayong 5.8 million. So pwede na nating i-upgrade. Okay, so again yung pangalawang card is nandito po sa markets. And then, ayan, derivatives. Okay, upgrade na natin. Ayan, tapos go ahead. Okay, so the second card is assembled. Just a little bit left. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, una nating card is License Japan and then pangalawa nating cards is yung derivatives. Okay, so yung pangatlo guys is yung prediction market. Okay, sa prediction market guys, dito lang ulit kayo pupunta or nandito lang din sa markets. Ayan, tapos halos malapit lang din dun sa mismong, actually katabi lang siya. Okay, katabi lang siya ng derivatives. Ayan, so level 16, kanina level 15 yung derivatives natin. Ngayon, prediction markets, naka-level 12, kailangan natin ng 141,000.27. Ayan. So, again, yun yung pangatlong cards. Level up na natin. Okay. So, yay! The combo is complete. You're doing great. So, yun na. Makaka-receive na tayo ng additional 5 million na points, guys. And then, take the prize. Okay? So, overall, guys, yun. Ito yung pinakaunang card. License Japan. And then, prediction markets. And then, derivatives. Actually, for this card naman, yung tatlo, pwede niyo namang unahin na i-level up yung derivatives or yung prediction markets. Okay? Basta yung tatlo. Yung combination ng 3 cards na yan, pwede naman yung unahin yung prediction market, pwede yung unahin yung derivatives, huli yung License Japan. Okay? Basta any combination, basta pasok dun sa pinaka 3 cards, makaka-receive kayo guys ng additional 5 million points. Okay? So, thank you so much guys. Yan po again ang ating daily combo na merong additional 5 million points. Thank you so much.